SID detects mechanical wear and tear by watching one thing: how efficiently your machine executes its control loop commands. This is a remarkably sensitive measure, enough to catch the earliest signs of a sticking valve, an aging bearing, or a component quietly reaching the end of its life. But what happens when the machine's behavior changes for reasons that have nothing to do with wear? If you change the hydraulic fluid to one with a different viscosity, your pumps will generate pressure differently. Swap a recipe or a batch of raw materials and the machine responds differently too. The question is, won't SID flag these as wear and tear as well? Yes, these changes do affect apparent efficiency, and depending on how SID is configured, they can trigger an alert. But that's by design. Let's look why. On the Baliso tab, you can see the apparent efficiency SID calculates for each control loop. As the machine moves between operating regimes, these values move with it. These transitions are fast, appearing as sharp, step-like changes. Change a hydraulic fluid and every pump hits a new baseline. Swap the recipe or load a batch of raw material with different properties, and you'll see step changes ripple across the control loops all at once. Now compare that to the kind of deterioration SID is really built to catch. Genuine mechanical wear unfolds slowly, often over weeks, sometimes months, while the machine appears to be running perfectly. SID treats these two patterns of change as fundamentally different signals. And what happens next is up to you. In the Alert Configuration panel, you decide which changes deserve an alert. You can tell SID to flag gradual drift while staying silent on sudden shifts, effectively switching off the alerts for viscosity or recipe changes we talked about earlier. In many cases, that's exactly what you want. In others, sudden change alerts are genuinely useful, like flagging when a batch of raw material is out of spec. And finally, remember that SID pays attention to how you respond to its alert, and it adapts. Acknowledge an alert, SID sharpens its detection for next time. If you dismiss one, SID adjusts its baseline so that this type of event does not raise an alert again. Through configurable alerts and adaptive sensitivity, SID learns to tell you exactly what you need to know and ignores the rest.